Welcome to this video tutorial on an exponentiation operator in Python. We use the double asterisk or exponentiation operator between the base and exponent values. The first line of code defines a variable x. The exponential operator has higher precedence than the multiplication operator in Python. The expression first calculates the result of 1 raised to the power of 3, which is 1, and then multiplies it with 3. The second line of code, print x, simply prints the value stored in the variable x. And that's it. Running this code will output the value of 3 on the console. Thank you for watching this tutorial. To watch more, subscribe.